there were a huge number of people from UP. They want to go back to their home as early as possible, and that's why we planned for 6 trains today, and we have planned again a large number of trains tomorrow. But that I can share only after confirmation whether railway will be able to provide that many trains or not. I believe, and as the collector has confirmed, we have sufficient facility in our shelter home also, but they come in more in number once they get information that their friend is going. But today, as I said, 4,884 people have left, and same number of people will leave in another up to 10 p.m. From Karmali, 2 trains are leaving at 7 p.m. one, and another is at 9 p.m. So we believe with this large number of people going out, that crowd and the pressure will come down. Still we have a number of people from UP, and we hope that the situation will improve. Collector has confirmed that they are taking due care, and the sufficient facility, food, lodging is available in the nearby shelter homes. That nearby shelter home is only 500 meters away from there, from the railway station, and so they can take care of them. But it is a slight anxiety that people want to board as early as possible. Everybody wants to be first in the train. I hope with today 6 train leaving, the situation will improve drastically.
Ma'am, today the CCP mayor sees some tobacco products and warned the people, actually the shop owners, about it. There is a tobacco ban in Goa. So you all have started finding the people, what Mr. Sanjay Kumar said. Is there any mechanism now that to check that there is no tobacco sale throughout Goa like that?
You see, what we are doing is basically implementing our Goa Anti-Spitting Act, which you are aware of. That is one thing that we are implementing. And then smoking is prohibited under the Codpa Act. These are the 2 acts that we are enforcing. So all actions like before continue under these 2 legislations. So that action is continuing. Secretary Revenue every day shares with you also the violations under the Anti-Spitting Act. Codpa Act, we have always been, for that matter, even Anti-Spitting Act has been.
But despite this, the sale of tobacco and all these products is still rampant.
Whatever is there stipulated by law is being adhered to. It is being implemented. Yes.
Now the passengers by plane will arrive in Goa. Whether government has proposed antibody testing or rapid testing at airport?
Regarding the arrival of passengers, domestic passengers by air, we are still awaiting SOPs and guidelines from the central government. We are expecting that very soon we will be receiving those, so accordingly we will be moving forward.
Is there any power this state government can seek documents of who are travelling from other states without any reason?
You mean the air passengers?
Air and both train also.
Documents, we get a list. Both, I think Secretary Revenue would be in a better position to explain.
As per the current SOP, railways and flight operation both are central government subjects. So they have made the SOP. They have mandated it that these lists will be shared with the state governments. But as far as the current SOP, they have not mandated that reasons will be asked from the people who are traveling in the flights and in the trains.
Any attempt has been made by the state government to coordinate with the railway ministry? We have seen this rising number because of trains.
So what we took is we ramped up our testing facilities. We tried to make more teams so that we can test them as far as we can. And as you know, the CM, Honorable CM has already written a letter to Government of India regarding the running of rail services, especially the terminating train. But ultimately, these 2 subjects, as I said, are of central government, and whatever central government protocol or direction will be, we will abide by them.
Because there is anxiety among the people that outsiders are coming to Goa without any reasons, and because of that, this number of cases are rising. That's why
I shared with you that on these things, the national protocol they have issued, Government of India, they have prescribed very long step by step what has to be done, and the airlines and the Ministry of Civil Aviation, they will be following these guidelines, including all airports, and based on that, whatever list will be shared with us, we are awaiting. We will be taking our precautionary measures.
Roughly, whenever you talk about these trains which are coming inside Goa, and all, what is the total number of passengers that come inside, and we all have to do this testing, you know?
By if you are asking by train,
The train.
so far
train.
when train have started, we have received 777 passengers, including from Rajdhani, where we have tested all of them. And in the same trains, 1,893 people have departed also.
Is it within that same day, or it took time,
So the train came on different days.
Yes.
But this is the total so far, that 777 passengers have arrived in Goa by these trains.
And how many have left? You said around 30 or something. There were 80,000.
1,893 have departed by these trains.
Ma'am, you said that Goa is the only state which does test.
In, we have not taken anything separate for accommodation. We are taking only 2,000.
Even for these 57 people who have come from Mumbai, who are coming, their facilities have been tied up, their hotels, paid quarantine have been tied up by their companies.
They will be tested again.
Yes.
Madam, 3 more samples have been sent for confirmatory test. That is true, no?
That is right. 3 samples are awaiting confirmation. Yes.
Have you identified any private lab after the SRL being commissioned?
Yes, a couple of labs have approached us. They have not told us exactly when they will start operation, but yes, the process is underway.
And just one more thing, there's 3 patients who were tested positive by SRL and then they turned out to be negative. Those were added in your tally, right?
Yes, definitely yes.
So then after they proved to be negative,
Yes.
then
We are following the same protocol.
No, but that their number, I mean those numbers being deducted later.
Whenever we test them, we follow the same protocol like in every other patient. We test them, and when they test negative twice,
Yeah,
then we declare them as cured.
cured. But
Yes, but the numbers won't change then. And actually, they have been added to our tally, and they have been admitted in COVID hospital. So,
okay.
got the point.
Sir,
Thank you.
Can you share one information about that COVID fund, state fund? What is the contribution as of today and how many expenditure from that fund? Expenditure is
I can say that about 9 crore have been received in that fund. The last time, few days ago when I checked it, and there is about 4 crore of expenditure has been done, majorly on especially KTC buses, which we have hired for special facilities, and relief material, the ration which we have distributed to the stranded laborers.
Okay, thank you.